I'm done trading for the day. Um, I only took two trades. Both of them were green, two winning trades for the day, up 50% overall in my account. So that's always beautiful to see. And time to go ahead and stop taking L's. Oh, before tomorrow, I just want to go ahead. One, let's look at the chart. I didn't take any of this, and I had these levels. Boom, it hit my first level. Boom, fell all the way through. After it fell through, it rejected again, fell to my next level cleanly, and then boom, rejected again. So I'm just saying this to say support and resistance works, charting your levels works. If I had stayed in this, I would have wrote it down all the way to 309. And then let me go ahead and bring up my cheat sheet from yesterday. So right here, Apple, what did I have it going to? 309. If it hit 314, I knew it would go to 312. That's when I got in. Between 314 and 312 is when I bought and sold for over 50%. And if I would have held until now, it's 309.90 now. You feel me? So I say that to say support and resistance is real, charting is real. And if you have your history of where you've been, you know where you're going. And so I don't need to draw any more support or resistance for Apple right now. I think I will, though, just to get there we go. We already have the next leg down. So if Apple breaks, let's see. If Apple breaks this 309.40, 309.44, I'm going to expect it to be going to 308. And if it can't hold 308.30, it's going to 307. So I'm gonna go ahead and make another cheat sheet. This is how I make my cheat sheet these days. Look at my support and my resistance, and then I put it into Chat GPT and tell it to make me a game plan. And then I follow that game plan because it's real easy to look at everything and then get excited and get lost in the sauce once you get in the market. So we have Apple currently 309.930. It falls below 309.44, then 308. 308.30. Then 307.50. Then 306.40. Then 305.50. And if it gets past 310, we can go back to 312. Then 314, then 315, then 316. All right, so that's going to be what I'm looking at for Apple tomorrow. NVIDIA, again, let's just look at what it did today. So it opened up where did we open? Right here. So NVIDIA opened up at about 221, 222. It went all the way to 224, which is the level I had. And then from there, it rejected hard to 222 and went all the way down. So let's look at the cheat sheet again. And I'm just looking back at the cheat sheet to show y'all like what I said was going to happen is exactly what happened. So NVIDIA above 224, then 229. So we got to 224. Boom, it hit 224 and came right back down. And then I said if it goes below 221, which it ended up going below 222, And then it came all the way down to 214.58. I had it going to 216, 212. By the time I saw the move, it was already at about 214. So I didn't really want to get in. But with that being said, we can draw our conclusion that if it falls below, let me put this in the notes, NVIDIA, if it falls below 214.58, then it's going to 212. And let's see what's below that 212 level. And see, this is confirmation. It has a gray zone here. If it breaks 212, it looks like we're going to 211, 211.70. If it breaks at 211.70, we could see 209.70. I'm gonna say 210. If we break that 209.73, and then 208. What's it look like to the upside? I don't think we're gonna have this big of a down day again tomorrow. I think we're gonna retest from, let's see. So if it gets past 216, what was that? 216.56. Then it's going to come back to 218 easy. And if it clears this 218, we go back to 219.96. Which we might as well just call 220. And if it could break 220, then it's going back to 222. All right, so that's Apple, that's NVIDIA. I might have to finish this later. Yeah, QQQ, I'm not even gonna draw new levels for it. As we wanted to hit 744. If it hits 744, then it's going to 745. If QQQ breaks 743.20 again, then it's going to 70.42.30s. And if it breaks 742, then we get 741.27. And if it breaks that, $739. All right. right. So what was that? We got Apple, we got Nvidia, we got QQQ. This is SPX real quick. Oh, that's crazy. I don't even feel like doing SPX right now. Damn, SPY was bloody today. So SPY needs to reclaim and hold 755.24. Oh, it looks like it's rejected. All right, so I'm gonna put everything I was just looking at into ChatGPT with this picture right here and say, make me a cheat sheet for tomorrow. Yeah, I need to get my ass up and get out the door. All right. So yeah, this is my cheat sheet. And everything that I said was going to happen on this cheat sheet actually ended up happening. I made money today. I 50% increased my account. Tomorrow, we looking to do the same thing by the end of the week to be up 100%. You feel me? We still got 2 days, Thursday and Friday. So maybe we'll end up over 100%. That's the goal, baby. With that being said, it's your boy Diesel. I'm off this hoe. If you want to continue watching, see how I trade, possibly learn how to trade yourself, and just see a day in the life of a professional actor and professional day trader. Let's get it.